Completing 4,000 hours of watch time on YouTube is a significant milestone that can help increase the visibility and credibility of your channel. Here are some tips to help you achieve this goal. Create and upload consistent, high-quality content. Make sure your videos are well edited, visually appealing, and provide value to your viewers. Aim to upload videos regularly, so your audience has a reason to keep coming back. Promote your videos. Share your videos on social media, embed them on your website, and collaborate with other YouTubers in your niche to reach a wider audience. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments, ask for feedback, and participate in community events. Building a strong community around your channel will help keep people coming back. Use keyword-rich titles, descriptions, and tags. Make sure your videos are easily discoverable by using keywords in your titles, descriptions, and tags. Utilize YouTube's features. Take advantage of features like end screens, playlists, and annotations to keep viewers engaged and increase the overall watch time on your videos. Monitor your analytics. Use YouTube Analytics to track your progress and see which videos are performing well. Use this information to make informed decisions about the content you create and how you promote it. Keep in mind that reaching 4,000 hours of watch time on YouTube can take time. But by following these tips and being consistent, you can increase your chances of reaching this milestone. Thanks for watching.